Hey, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the XLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. So what the XLOOKUP function allows us to do is pull back some information based on a search criteria that we have. So let's say in this example, we've got a list of student IDs, and what we want to do is actually pull back their scores in either math, English, or science. So what we can do here is we can go into the functions bar and we can go equals XLOOKUP. And what we can do then is determine our search key, which is B3 here, which is the first student ID. And then we're going to do our lookup range, which is the range that we want to look for all these student IDs within. And then next, what we're going to do is our results range, so our comparative range for this. We're going to do another comma. And what we can also do is actually, if we don't have a result for this, we can do a missing text to appear. So in quotes, I'm going to put missing in quotes, and then what we can do then is just close the brackets and we can see the scores pop up here. So Alex Smith 85, I've got Alex Smith in twice here, which will be revealed. The reason being will be revealed in a minute, but we can see here for Eric Brown we had no 105 if you just quickly browse through the list of student IDs here. So Eric Brown comes back as missing. Okay, the next part of this is actually we can look at the data from top down or bottom up, and that may allow us to actually generate different pieces of information from lists that we have. So in our function, what we can do then is after missing, we can do comma 0 to maintain it as an exact match, and then we can change what type of search modes they are. So if we do 1 and then close brackets, what it's going to do is, oh, it thinks that I have an extra to put an extra bracket in here, but I'm just going to remove that and return. And it's going to take Alex Smith from the top down, which is 85. But if I pull this down, and we can see here, if I pull it down and I change this 1 up here to a -1, it's going to go from bottom up, and Alex Smith is going to become 92. So that's a very simple way of using the XLOOKUP function in Google Sheets.